In this video, I'm going to show you how to get contractors, to find contractors that we don't typically work with. And then to make sure that we're not double entering or putting double entries inside of contractor foreman. So what I do is I go to Google, I type in acoustical ceiling contractors in Salt Lake City. Typically they're drywall contractors. They do a bunch of scopes, but like this here, Alpine drywall and floor coverings. You have the address, you have the phone number, and you also have the website. Typically on the website, they have the email or a contact page. So here we have all of the contacts for Alpine drywall and floor coverings. So what we want to do is we can either go into contractors or just go add new contractor. And then we can start basically typing in all of their information here. So it's easier if we just go back to Google. I just copy paste. So copy this information, paste it right in here. Copy this telephone number and then enter this address. Oh no, that's the address. It'll automatically populate. And then you want to grab go into their website. You want to grab their website information and then find the menu, the navigation bar on their website. Go to the contact page and head over to here. So this is the drywall, I guess. Drywall. Put in their information here. And then you can also add additional contacts. But this guy is DJ. We can put his information in here on the first name. And then cut and paste his last name. And then tags. Scope of work is what we always want to put in when we're trying to find contractors. So this contractor does drywall. We want to just highlight them there and add the additional contact information if they have it. Sometimes they don't, but we'll just add their contact information of what we do have on their site. And then we don't have a phone number, but we do have a email address, so we'll put them here on the email address. So if you want to add their additional contact information here, if they have more information, install all of their information here. They also do flooring, so we'll just have to put their information for flooring as well. This is their office number. Confirm. And then we'll also we'll look for flooring. And then save. All this other information here. Let's say we do have them bid, they send us a bid, we accept their bid, we send them a subcontract. When they approve the subcontract, then we start gathering their W-9, their license, the contractor's license, and their general liability. And in the subcontract agreement, it'll have all the information we'll need for and like lists and specifications for this project. So, and then we'll just have to install it here. You just add insurance, add all the information from the insurance policy, and then attach their document into here, and then confirm. And then same thing with here, you add a license, add the document that they send over, and also the license number, the license type, like a contractor license, and the expiration date, or if it doesn't expire, like a W-9, it wouldn't expire. So you want to confirm that once you fill out all the information. But make sure at the end of it all, you press save. But that's how you typically find contractors on Google and then install it into Contractor Foreman.